Bam. Boom.
Hey Girl Talk, it's KIDZBOP Twinkle, and today we're behind the scenes for our new set on our music video with the US kids. And right now we're in the makeup room and got some makeup over here, and then there's some really cool like accessories over here. And I love bows, and I mean, come on, no one can't like unicorn.
Alright, so we've got the US and you've got the US and the UK KIDZBOP clothes all here. Yep. There's literally like some. Whoa! Oh my god, there's a cow onesie right here.
Is that a penguin?
Check this out.
Personally, I like this one because it's got glitter on it and it's sparkly. So
I'll do that.
We've got like tutus, which are just tutiful. They're just tutiful. Did you get that?
That was so good.
Come on, that was so good.
Hi Girl Talk, I'm Mia and I'm the newest member of KIDZBOP. Today we are at a video shoot and I'm just going to show you around. So we're in the makeup bit at the moment. Here's all the makeup.
So I'm going to show you my top favourite viral dance move. So one of them probably has to be the floss, and it goes like that. You can all try it with me at home. Yeah, so it's quite hard. It's like that, and that, and then you just keep doing it. But if it wasn't that, it'd probably have to be the woe, and the woe, you grab it, and you go like that. Yeah.
I'm Max. I'm Ashton. And we're from the KIDZBOP Kids.
Yes, we are.
And we're going to show you our favourite viral dance move right now.
Really?
3, 2, 1, let's go. Bam. Boom. That's it.
My favourite dance move is, I don't really know what the name is, but we just call it, we call it the jelly legs, yay? Hey. And there we go. Bye.